Good day, everyone. Welcome to TuveMate, where we bring you the latest news stories from YouTube. Buckle up your taste buds as we embark on a global adventure that transcends borders and cultures. Our journey takes us through the tantalizing realms of cuisine, exploring iconic dishes that define the culinary landscape of 10 diverse countries, from the sizzling streets of Mexico to the delicate flavors of Japan. Join us on a mouth-watering trip around the world in 10 dishes. Italy, pizza perfection. Our first stop is the birthplace of amore, and arguably one of the most celebrated dishes worldwide, Italy. Picture this: a crispy yet chewy crust adorned with the finest tomato sauce, mozzarella, and a myriad of toppings. Yes, we're talking about the glorious pizza. From the bustling streets of Naples to the chic pizzerias in Rome, the simplicity of a margherita or the boldness of a quattro formaggi. Each slice tells a tale of tradition and craftsmanship. Japan, Sushi Symphony. Hop on the sushi train as we make our way to the land of the rising sun. Japan's gift to the world, sushi is a symphony of flavors and textures. Whether you're savoring the buttery richness of sashimi or experiencing the crunch of a tempura roll, each bite is a meticulous dance of fresh ingredients and culinary precision. The artistry involved in crafting these bite-sized delights is as impressive as the taste itself, making sushi an international sensation. Mexico, Tacos Fiesta. Next on our culinary itinerary is the vibrant and spicy world of Mexican tacos. These handheld delights are a street food revolution, with every region offering its twist. Picture succulent meats, fresh salsa, and a squeeze of lime all nestled in a warm tortilla. Whether it's the smoky allure of al pastor or the zing of beta-style fish tacos, Mexico's culinary prowess shines through each flavorful bite. India, butter chicken bliss. Let's add a dash of spice to our journey as we land in the heart of India. Butter chicken, a culinary masterpiece born in the kitchens of Delhi, is a celebration of rich, creamy tomato gravy embracing succulent pieces of tandoori chicken. The symphony of spices, the velvety texture, and the aromatic experience make this dish a global favorite, showcasing the incredible diversity of Indian cuisine. Thailand, pad thai pleasures. From the streets of Bangkok to the coastal towns of Phuket, Thailand offers a culinary escapade, and at the center of it all is pad thai. This stir-fried noodle dish combines the tang of tamarind, the crunch of peanuts, and the sweetness of palm sugar. Shrimp, chicken, or tofu, pad thai caters to all palates, making it a quintessential Thai experience that has captured the hearts and taste buds of food enthusiasts worldwide. France, croissant connoisseur. Bonjour. Our gastronomic tour wouldn't be complete without a stop in France, the epitome of culinary finesse. Enter the humble yet iconic croissant, a flaky, buttery delight that has become a symbol of French breakfast elegance. With origins dating back to Viennese bakers in the 19th century, the French have elevated this pastry to an art form. Pair it with a café au lait, and you're in for a taste of Parisian perfection. Spain, Pala Passion. As we hop across the Pyrenees, Spain beckons us with the irresistible aroma of pala. Originating from Valencia, this rice dish is a medley of flavors with saffron-infused rice, a variety of seafood, and a symphony of herbs and spices, cooked in a wide, shallow pan. The communal aspect of sharing a pala with loved ones reflects the warmth and conviviality of Spanish culture. Each grain of rice carries a piece of Spain's culinary heritage. USA, Burger Bonanza. No culinary journey would be complete without a pit stop in the land of the free and the home of the brave. The USA's contribution to global cuisine is none other than the iconic burger. From the classic cheeseburger to gourmet creations, the American burger culture is a testament to the nation's love for hearty, flavorful meals. A symbol of indulgence, the burger has taken on countless variations, each as delicious as the last. China, Peking duck elegance. Crossing the Great Wall, we arrive in China, where the Peking duck reigns supreme. A dish with imperial origins, Peking duck is a culinary masterpiece characterized by its crispy skin and succulent meat. The meticulous preparation and roasting process create a symphony of textures, from the crackle of the skin to the tender meat within. Served with thin pancakes, hoisin sauce, and sliced scallions. It's a culinary experience fit for royalty. Greece, Musaka magic. Our final destination on this global gastronomic adventure is the cradle of Western civilization, Greece. The star of the show? Musaka, a layered casserole of eggplant, minced meat, and bechamel sauce. Baked to perfection, Musaka embodies the wholesome and hearty nature of Greek cuisine. Each bite takes you on a journey through the sun-kissed hills of Greece, showcasing the country's rich culinary heritage. As we wrap up our culinary expedition, it's clear that food is a universal language that transcends borders. From the fiery streets of Mexico to the refined kitchens of France, each country's iconic dish tells a story of culture, history, and innovation. So continue exploring the world through its flavors, discovering new tastes, and sharing the joy of food with those around you. Remember, staying informed is a crucial part of engaging with the world around us. If you found this news helpful, don't forget to subscribe to TuveMate and adjust your notification settings so you won't miss our future updates. Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll be back with more updates tomorrow. Goodbye for now.